Okay, so as you can see, I've downloaded the Read Aloud up here. When I click it, this is on our class website.
Internet tools for the
It
classroom.
will read
ITEC 7400.
the information and it'll keep going. You can jump ahead, hit play.
1. Inclusion in the 21st century.
Okay. Another really cool feature is you can go through and actually change the settings. So here you can change how fast or slow you want it to read, the pitch if you wanted a deeper voice or a higher voice, and then the volume of it. Also, you can change the voices. So for instance, like here is Daniel. We'll make him talk a little bit faster, maybe a lower pitch.
Read Aloud is a Chrome and Firefox extension that uses text-to-speech technology to convert web page text to audio. It works on a variety of websites, including news sites,
Another
blogs,
thing that's kind of neat
publications.
is
Read Aloud is a Chrome and Firefox extension that uses text-to-speech technology to convert web page text to audio. It works on a variety of websites.
Okay, another cool feature
including
is
news sites,
you can change the language. So if you go back over here and click on, say we wanted to speak in Spanish and read this text again, click off of it and then come back and it'll read it.
Tools for the classroom. ITC 7430. Readings. Read the
And it'll read it in Spanish.